The Otamatone Deluxe electronic musical instrument is a unique and quirky gadget that has captured the attention of music enthusiasts and casual users alike. We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of this product. If you own this item, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This review will delve into the features, usability, pros, cons, and overall impressions of the Otamatone Deluxe, offering insights into what makes it stand out and where it falls short. The Otamatone Deluxe is a full-sized version of the popular Japanese musical instrument designed for both professional musicians and hobbyists. Its jumbo size and professional-grade build set it apart from the standard models, making it a favorite among those who want a more precise and versatile playing experience. The instrument's touch-sensitive stem allows users to play different notes by pressing and sliding their fingers along its surface. Additionally, squeezing the Otamatone's face creates a distinctive wah effect, while shaking the stem adds vibrato to the notes. These features make it fun and easy to use, even for beginners. One of the standout aspects of the Otamatone Deluxe is its compatibility with external devices. The 3.5mm stereo jack enables users to connect headphones, amplifiers, or speakers, allowing for a more immersive sound experience. This feature is particularly appealing to musicians who want to experiment with different sound setups or practice quietly using headphones. The package includes everything needed to get started: an Otamatone Deluxe, a 3.5mm US cable, 3 AA batteries, an English instruction manual, and an Otamatone strap. Many users appreciate the Otamatone Deluxe for its novelty value and entertainment potential. It's described as a perfect gift for anyone who loves quirky gadgets or enjoys experimenting with music. The instrument's theremin-like sound adds to its charm, making it a fun addition to any musician's collection. Some reviewers have even noted that it works well with guitar pedals and amplifiers, producing unique and interesting sounds. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. One common complaint is related to the headphone jack design. Unlike most devices, inserting a plug into the jack does not disengage the internal speaker. This means that sound is played through both the headphones and the internal speaker simultaneously, which can be inconvenient for those who want to practice quietly or record directly without external noise interference. While this design choice may have been intentional to preserve certain sound effects, it has left some users frustrated. Another point of criticism is the quality of the included batteries. Many reviewers recommend replacing them with reliable brands like Duracell or Energizer for better performance. Some users have also suggested using an external 5V adapter as an alternative power source for more consistent usage. The build quality of the Otamatone Deluxe has received mixed feedback. While many find it durable enough for occasional use, others caution against giving it to young children who might handle it roughly. The touch-sensitive stem is responsive and enjoyable to use, but its non-linear note spacing can make precise playing challenging for those with larger fingertips. Despite these issues, the overall sentiment toward the Otamatone Deluxe remains positive. Users love its playful design and unique sound capabilities. It's particularly popular among music teachers who use it as a supplementary tool for lessons or ear training exercises. The instrument's ability to spark creativity and provide hours of entertainment makes it a worthwhile purchase for many. In conclusion, the Otamatone Deluxe electronic musical instrument is a delightful blend of novelty and functionality. While it may not be perfect in every aspect, its charm and versatility make it a standout choice for anyone looking to explore new musical possibilities or simply have fun creating strange sounds. Whether you're a seasoned musician or a curious beginner, this quirky gadget offers something special that's hard to find elsewhere. If you're intrigued by what you've heard about the Otamatone Deluxe so far, check out the product link in the description to learn more or make your purchase today.